Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, ambient lighting, leather upholstery, sync, satellite communications, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, child safety locks. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.